Session 47 of Unit 4 of Taxation of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Let us see the problem on computation of total income and tax liability. This is asked for 20 marks in November 2018. Expo Limited is engaged in the business of manufacture of garments. The profit and loss account is given. So the net profit is given. Net profit add disallowed expenses and less incomes not connected to business. Also take into consideration the additional information given. We are required to find the total income of the company after finding the business income, book profit, and then tax liability, that is normal tax and the minimum alternate tax. So the computation of business income, net profit as per profit and loss account, add disallowed expenses, income tax, donation to NDF, outstanding customs duty, provision for unascertained liability, proposed dividend, loss of subsidiary company, repairs of let out property, municipal tax, agriculture expenses, fines and penalties which are not connected to business, reserve for bad debts, excess depreciation, incomes not related to business, agricultural income, rent from house property, transfer from general reserve, less allowable expenses, excise duty and depreciation, less brought forward business loss, so we get the business income. Now computation of total income, income from house property, gross annual value is given, less municipal tax, we get annual value, less 30% of annual value. So business income, just now we have computed, gross annual value, less deductions under section 80G, donations to NDF 100%. So the total income is 11,11,000. Next is to compute the book profit, net profit as per profit and loss account, add income tax, provisions, proposed dividend, loss of subsidiary company, agricultural expenses, reserve for bad debts, depreciation, less agricultural income, transfer from general reserve, depreciation, brought forward business loss or unabsorbed depreciation, whichever is less. So we get the book profit. Now computation of tax liability, on total income at the rate of 25%, add health and education cess on the tax liability. Total tax liability is 2,88,860. Minimum alternate tax, tax on book profit 18,75,000 at the rate of 15%. So on 2,81,250 at the rate of 4%, 11,250, we get the tax liability. Now normal tax liability is 2,88,860, but minimum alternate tax is more. So minimum alternate tax will be the tax payable, and the company can claim for MAT credit, that is the difference between the tax paid and the normal tax rates. References.